Hello everybody, today I'm going to be doing some work on this little larch tree, well a couple of little larch trees actually, but starting with this one, and it's done very well. It's only been in this pot a year, so it's not going to get repotted this year. I like to leave my trees in the pot for a while. It's still a bit loose in the pot, you can tell it's not filled the pot with roots, so it's not root bound yet. So it can continue to grow on quite healthily this next year, and probably be due for a root prune the year after, 2022. So just cleaning off all these sort of loose needles, and what I want to do is just thin out some of the branch structure and shorten back some of these long straight branches that have got very little interest going on. So that's what I'm going to be doing. Now, the first thing I want to look at actually is this bottom branch here. It's not the lowest branch, but it is one of the lowest, and I've actually got two branches coming from the same point. I don't know how well that's showing up on camera. Okay, so yeah, that's a better shot. You can see quite clearly now that I have a branch coming out this way and a branch coming out that way, and I have to make a decision as to which branch I want to keep and which one to go away. I think I'm going to lose this piece, which is straighter, less interesting, and I'm going to use my new cutters I had for Christmas to do it. So here we go. Those in nice and snug. One shot, and they've come away really nicely, and left a really nice little wound that'll heal quite quickly. So that's better. I'm happier with that. Let's move you back down. We can see a bit more of the operation. Okay, so even though I like this branch, I don't like this piece that's coming back across the trunk, so I'm going to lose that, and I'm going to lose this piece as well. That brings that back across in this direction. There's a couple of little pieces there that can go. As I say, the tree's still quite wobbly in the pot, despite being in there for a whole year, so it can stay. A couple of pieces here that are too close into the trunk. They're dead straight, dead boring. I'm going to lose those. And then I'm just going to gently trim this tree back. Set up for some back budding, some directional pruning, get rid of these really long straight pieces, odd pieces like this. They're really not a lot of use in a bonsai. They just scream juvenile, young tree, rather than something that's been around for a while and has been shaped by wind and elements and rain. Going to cut that off. There's a piece here that's coming out of the front of the trunk. I could wire it across. In fact, I think that's what I'm going to do. No. Change of plan. I'm actually going to remove it. It'll always look like a tree that grew out, a branch that grew out of the front of the trunk and had been wired across to me. And this side of the tree is barer than this side. That's something I'm going to have to bear in mind when I position this one back on the bench. I'm going to have to try and position this where it gets a bit more light on this side. But otherwise, I'm really happy with the way this tree has developed this year. Yeah, that's really it. That's kind of set this up for spring. Shorten that piece. Shorten this piece. I think this tree will respond well to this treatment, and come the spring it'll be away. So that larch was grown from seed, and at the same time I had a batch of 10 seeds. It's European Larch, and I had half a dozen actually germinate. The rest have been in these 9cm plastic pots grown away. They've been pruned each year and trimmed, but they've never been in a pot yet. I have considered putting one into this pot that I have for Christmas, but I'm not sure. Traditionally larch go into a unglazed pot, but I think I don't always go with the traditional route myself. Sometimes I just go with what looks nice to me. It's like having a picture in a frame. Some people might put a quiet picture and put it in a gaudy frame. Other people like a gaudy picture in a quiet frame. It's each to our own, I guess. But I don't think that colour, this bluey green, is really going to be right for the green of the needles of a larch. So no, it's not going into that one. I then thought about this, which is this nice little cream pot, and yes, I think that could work. I think that could work quite nicely, especially with the new leaves of the larch being a lovely, elegant green colour. So then, having kind of thought that through and made that decision that yes, I'd like to put one of these larches into there, it's a question of which one. As you can see, I'm going to pull them all out. That one's a kind of little ugly duckling, and I'm not really sure what I'm going to do with that one. Possibly I might make a raft out of that one. It's got very little branching on this side, quite a bit on this side, and a little small raft might be interesting. This one's growing very tall and quite leggy, still quite spindly, and again it's a bit one-sided, so I'm going to just cut this one back. I've got two branches in one spot. I'm going to cut this one back quite ruthlessly, quite hard. It's quite uninteresting at the moment, and I just want it to backbud, sprout out some more, and hopefully gain a bit of interest. So I'll put that to one side because yeah, that's not in the running. This one, yeah, raft maybe. So I'm back to this one, or even this one, and this one is a little bit too big, I think. The pot is a little bit too big for this particular tree, but I really like its low growing. The way it's grown low and squat appeals to me, and I'm thinking that one has potential to go into this pot, and this one has potential to go into this pot. I'm not going to do it till spring. I'm going to call the little squat one A, and I'm going to call the taller one B, and I'm going to ask you your opinions, guys. Drop me a little comment in the comment section below. Tell me whether you like A or B, and we'll see which one comes out on top. And all rights reserved, of course, because at the end of the day I've got to live with it. But if enough of you like A, or enough of you like B, that'll be the larch that goes into this pot next month, probably towards the end of February. So yeah, drop me a comment, tell me what you think. Maybe you think one of the other ones, but yeah, I'm really liking both of those trees, and I think either one could do quite nicely. So let's recap. This one's A. This one's B. Drop me a note, let me know what you think, A or B. Thank you so much for watching. Please, please, please look after yourselves. Stay safe.